Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to do I set my computer to sleep after a certain time, so you can decide at what time your system goes to sleep guys. If you are inactively in your PC, go to search menu and type edit power plan. In opens up control panel, edit power plan. Open it up guys. This will change the sleep time. The monitor goes off after 5 to 15 minutes of inactively. Let's change it guys. Turn off the display whatever you want it. You can set it right here guys. Put the computer to sleep. You can put the computer to sleep in 1 minute to 5 hours. I'm gonna do 30 minutes. 30 minutes is not good guys. 10 minutes and turn off the display for 5 minutes. That's good. Now click on save changes. That's it guys. Now your monitor goes off after you selected time of inactive guys. That's it for today's video. I hope this tutorial definitely helpful guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.